Everything you said we already knew.
This is the Xiaomi Mi Notebook Pro. It has an excellent build quality and stylish design. As you can see, it's quite similar to that of the MacBook Pro. The Mi Notebook Pro does, however, have some notable advantages over other high-end laptops. Currently starting at $1,050 for the Western market, it is still just a fraction of the cost of the MacBook Pro or Microsoft's Surface Book, whilst also having amazing specs. For the Notebook Pro, you can get up to 16 GB of RAM, and at the moment there's 256 GB of SSD storage, though there may be upgraded versions with more internal storage available in the near future. For the graphics card, there is an NVIDIA GeForce MX150, and a key selling point of this laptop is the super fast processor that is available with it. An 8th generation Intel i7 Coffee Lake CPU, which clocks at 4 GHz. Spec-wise overall, with the Notebook Pro, you can expect a powerful and smooth running machine. The backlit keyboard feels almost like a mechanical one, and the trackpad is also top-notch. Built into the trackpad there's a fingerprint scanner. Xiaomi have also included a lot of useful ports along the sides. 2 USB 3 ports, 2 USB-C ports, an HDMI port, a 3-in-1 SD card slot, and an audio jack. The Notebook Pro also has a cool and quiet double ventilation system to prevent annoying overheating, so there shouldn't be any worries about having it rest on a flat surface for too long. The only thing that lets the Notebook Pro down slightly is that the screen quality is not quite as high as that of the MacBook Pro. With that said, the Notebook Pro's 15.6-inch 1080p screen still offers good brightness, a wide color gamut, and a 170-degree viewing angle. It's also coated with Gorilla Glass 3 for some durability, and the bezels along the side are quite small. As a very high quality and reliable laptop, the Mi Notebook Pro is a good recommendation for those who want great specs in a neat package. It really holds its own amongst other high-end laptops, being cheaper and in many cases actually more powerful. If you'd like to pre-order the Xiaomi Mi Notebook Pro or find out more about the specs, go ahead and click on the link in the description. Thanks for watching.